We'll guide you through how to mass delete emails in Gmail. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Over time, you end up receiving loads of different emails, and so you want to go and start clearing up and deleting them from your inbox. We're going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure you watch this full guide, as there are different ways you can go about this, depending upon the emails you want to go and delete. So to get started, come into your inbox like so. So what you can do is you can just go and start selecting them over to the left like so, and selecting the ones you want to delete. Then with them selected, you go to the top and you can press the delete button like so, then move to the bin, and to clear them from the bin, press more to the left, go down and find bin. Then you can go to the top here and you can press empty bin now, and you can go and delete it like so. Now, alternatively, you can go and delete all of them from your inbox. To go and do that, what you can do is go and press select in the top right. That'll select them all 50 on this page. To go and select them all, press select all to the right like so. Now they're all selected, and what you could then do is go and press delete at the top, and then they'll all be moved to your bin, and you can then go to your bin and empty it from there. In this case though, I don't want to do all of them. Another option is doing it from a certain sender. Choose the sender you want to do this with and hover over their name. Now what you want to do is go down and you want to see their email here and go to the right, and you can go and copy it like so. Now you want to go to search email at the top, and you can right click and go and press paste and press enter, and you'll go and see all the emails they've gone and sent you. And what we can then do is go and press the select all button in the top left here. All 50 on this page selected, but what we can do is press select all conversations that match this search. They're now all selected, and you can then press delete at the top. Confirm your decision. Now go and wait for this to go and complete. This will take a bit of time depending upon how many conversations have been selected. So you have to wait that time. Then you can go back to the bin on the left and you can go and clear it. So you could go to the top and press the search button, and you can then go and choose these different options. So if it's got a certain subject, or whether it's within a certain time frame, you could delete all of them that way as well. For example, in subject, I could go and type in cash, and then for the date within, I could do 1 year, for example, then press search, and I'll find everything where it mentions cash. Then what we could do is go and select them all in the top, and then we can go and delete them, like so. Of course, you can then delete them from your bin. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.